Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys a quick demo and review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen the demo and the review, I'm here to give you guys my quick review. I absolutely love it. This brow gel is absolutely amazing. It's transfer proof, and then it helps you to like get this perfect brow, and I feel like this will be perfect for the hotter weather because it is like transfer proof, and then I feel like your brows are gonna stay in place. So my brows look really nice, and I am really impressed overall with this product. So yeah, I really would recommend this. I'm sorry it's so quick and rushed. I'm actually on my way out the door, but I really do like this brow product, and you guys will definitely see this in the spring and summer seasons because it is super perfect for it. So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.